Pleasant good morning to everyone. My name is Ezra. I'm here along with my colleague Donica. And we're here today at our Spicegas office. We'd like to welcome all our loyal customers and viewers. We're here today, we're doing a raffle from our social media platform. We're going to have all our parishes, including Carriacou and Petitte Martique. Now we're about to select our winner from Petitte Martique. Donica, please do us the honors. And all our parishes, all the winners from our parishes will get our food hamper. And the winner is
Marcel Bethel from Petitte Martique. Congratulations, Marcel.
Now we're about to select our winner from Carriacou. Donica, please do us the honors. We'd like to congratulate all our participants from Carriacou. And the winner is
Paul Alexis from Carriacou. Congratulations.
We are going to select our winner from the parish of St. John's. Donica, please, thank you. And the winner is
Paul Benjamin. Congratulations.
About to select our winner from the parish of St. Max. Donica. And the winner is
Wellington Farrier. Congratulations.
We are about to select our winner from the parish of St. Patrick's. Donica. And the winner is
Steve George. Congratulations.
we are about to select our winner from the parish of St. Andrews. Donica, thank you. And the winner is
Junny Bernard. Congratulations.
and we are about to do our draw from the parish of St. George. Donica, please do us the honor. Thank you. And the winner is
Richard Gilbert. Congratulations.
and finally, our last draw is from the parish of St. David's. Donica, thank you very much. And the winner is
Vickyann Charles. Congratulations.
On behalf of the management and staff of Spicegas, we would like to thank all the participants and all the winners. We want to also thank our loyal customers. And remember, cooking safely. Spicegas, Grenada.
Light in weight, easily portable, corrosion-proof, explosion-proof, and translucent alternative to steel cylinders.